There you go. I have my breakfast. Can you? I don't. Here. I'm like breakfast. I don't know. Oh my god. I have my breakfast. Can you see it? Like eggs. Focus on that. Not on me. Here, eggs. Not on me. Oh, shit. It doesn't want to focus. Focus on that. There you go. Eggs, 3 eggs, tomato, avocado, and a brooch. A bread. It's like, you know what? Make a short video for today. Today is Sunday. Happy Halloween. Currently 12 p.m. Yeah, I'm gonna eat this. And then I'm gonna stream. So yeah. These few weeks were a little first my back. I did a video about that. And then it should be busting. And then I got sick. I had fever. Listen. That's the funniest part. I think I had off. Went to the doctor. I was like, I don't feel good. Whatever. I think was I sick or I had off? Whatever. I went there. I decided to get vaccinated. The first one. Right? But before I did that, I did an appointment, everything. And then it was on Thursday. Can you imagine? I had almost 40. I had fever. It was 40 degrees, almost 40 degrees. Yes, I was like, you know what? And I was at work. I was like, I don't feel so good. I feel hot. And I took a thermometer, put it under my tongue. I was like, 39.8. I was like, huh? That's a little high. So I showed it to my, how's it called? To my boss. I was like, yeah, she's like, bitch, you better go home. Before that, I had to do a COVID test, like the fast one. I did it, was negative. I was like, okay, good. Then on Friday, a day later, I was like, you know what? That was my vaccination. First, you know, I went. I was like, bitch, I had to fill out the formula. Isn't that formula? Papers. And on the paper it said if I have fever. Yeah. I put it in, I have fever. Do you think before I got vaccinated they got my temperature? No, I just got the vaccination. And then the funny part was a day later I found out at my working place a few people had COVID. And I was like, I don't have COVID. I don't. And then I went to the hospital again, got tested, the PCR, the not the quick one, the longer one, the more accurate one. I was sitting here and I was like, I don't feel so good. I feel really weak. I have problems to breathe. When that hit my, when this thought hit, I was like, yeah, I think I have COVID. And long story short, yeah, COVID. COVID hit me. COVID hit me hard. The irony, I get vaccinated and the day after I'm getting told, oh bitch, you got COVID. I'm pretty sure I had COVID before. Let me tell y'all, COVID ain't a joke. COVID is bullshit. Jesus, I was laying in bed for a week and I barely moved. I drank water. I didn't eat. I lost, I think, 5 pounds or 5 kilos or 6. I was weak as I could barely move. I think the first week I didn't eat. And what I ate was, I don't know. This is the other thing. Every time I ate, I got sick. So bad. It was like, I can't eat. It was horrible. I was like, damn. Laying in bed, mind my goddamn business. But now, I'm back. I recovered. And yeah, that's the story. And yeah, I had to get vaccinated. I had to. I wanted to get vaccinated because there's something in my life that will change, but I can't tell you yet. If it's final, I will. That's why I decided for myself, let's get the vaccination, my bitch. Now I am recovered, so, well, whatever. But yeah. And yeah, I have dark hair now. Again. Why?
Flashback.
Yeah, I'm filming myself. And I'm live on TikTok right now. If you want to see me live, Twitch and TikTok. So, as you can see, oh my god. My hair is brown. You see that? I hope you saw that. It's brown. I have to go bald. But I'm gonna bleach my eyebrows though. Look at that. Patchy Mickey. Oh, I would be bald with blonde eyebrows.
A few inches later.
So I told you, right? That I messed up, or I showed you that I messed up my hair, right?
I like it cut, G.
I had to shave my whole head. I don't mind it. Now, it's been 2 days? Yeah, or a day. It looks weird. I just recognized. I just realized I have ditches here, right here. Like someone pinched my head. When it came out, I was like, come on.
End of flashback.
But yeah, that's that. That's the update. This year, first my back. I hurt my back. Then I got better. Now COVID. Well, good thing is I'm streaming again. That's the best. So, I'm trying my best, you know. I'm trying. But it's like, right now, I love streaming, creating content. It's my passion. It's a hobby. I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna do the best that I can to be successful in my ways. So yeah, that's that. I just want to make a quick update. I'm gonna edit this, not even vlog. It's an update / mukbang / vlog. Today, uploaded today. So yeah, but this bussin'. Listen, if you don't like avocado, it's fine. But it's like broski. Wow. The tomato kissed me. Well, that's that. I ain't got nothing to say anymore. That was my morning. I'm gonna eat the rest of this. Sexy ass bitch. And yeah. I see you when I see you. Ooh. Grinding in this bitch. What? Oh, wait. That was tilt the whole time? Golly.